playing around with the new vehicle my wife and I are in love, obviously. But I saw this in the dealership, and because I was being polite, I didn't geek out, but I can now because I own this technically. Let's see what comes stock in a Toyota first aid kit that came with the vehicle. I think that's pretty interesting. All right, so I haven't opened this at all. First off, I love that there's Velcro on here because that, you know, you can stick it anywhere. So that's smart. Kind of a pleather case, but let's see what's in it. This is really interesting to me. Like, what would I add or take away from this? So here's a list. That's easy then. It's got 10 flexible adhesive strips, 10 butterfly bandages, 3 extra large adhesive strips, 3 gauze pads, sting relief pads, cleansing towelettes, stretch gauze roll, adhesive tape, elastic bandage with clips, triangle bandage with 2 pins, face mask, 4 pairs of gloves, 4 hand sanitizer packets, 1 large grip scissors, tweezer magnifier, so there's your fire, and a first aid instruction booklet. And then it gives you some taking a moment to be prepared. So that's kind of cool. So here's your disposable face mask. Here's your 4 packs of gloves. Here is probably the kind of the ace bandage with the clips, I would assume. Your basic triangle bandage, it's just that thin cloth stuff. Conforming stretch gauze, scissors, there's your magnifier. Don't know what power it is, but we could probably make it work. Some plain tape, cleansing towelettes, non-woven pads. So honestly, it's not that bad. Yeah, and then up here, a bunch of band-aids. Oh, here's your little scissors. First aid booklet. So no gimmicky stuff. Oh, large band-aids. Yeah, no gimmicky stuff. No like snake bite kit and any of that. So it's actually all probably going to be pretty useful. And, you know, it's definitely one of those basic level kits that you could just kind of take this, and instead of like gutting 4 or 5 other ones, you could probably just take this and add to it. So I would essentially take all this out and put it in a much larger bag for the back, and then just add to the things I necessarily don't see in here, and build off this. So it's kind of cool. This really intrigues me whenever I saw it, but I kept myself from opening it up because it wasn't mine yet. So yeah, Toyota first aid kit bag.